With the recent discovery of a whooping cough outbreak in Washington state, it arises that people need to start getting vaccinated. With this, as of mid May, there have been 24 cases of pertussis, also known as the whooping cough, throughout the Washington state area. Officials believe that we are entering an epidemic year of the whooping cough, with 200 reported cases in Washington as of mid May. Some facts about the whooping cough is that some symptoms that you can see are vomiting, a red or blue face due to lack of breathing, broken ribs, as well as trouble with breathing, eating, drinking, or sleeping. According to the Washington State Department of Health, the only way to fully prevent your chance of getting the disease, as well as spreading it to others, is by getting your booster shot, as well as continuing clean practices such as washing hands or covering your mouth when you cough.